In this Star-CCM tips and tricks video, we'll demonstrate how parts can easily be replaced with just a few clicks of the mouse while maintaining connectivity to all of the downstream operations, reports, and visualizations. Here we have an object in a wind tunnel where the parts-based operations, subtract, and automated mesh have been created to define the CFD domain. We also have a pre-generated report for the drag coefficient shown on the screen and a scene showing the pressure on the surface of the object. To change out the object being tested in the wind tunnel, we can simply right-click on the object and choose Replace Part. Two more clicks, one to mesh and one to start the simulation, and we see that the CFD model has been fully updated and is running successfully. We then choose the 3D CAD model that we'd like to replace it with. As Efrin ever, and there absolutely vans Bahar copper after ad had a perug and a per ever guther and ber ern athern sam so at an athapit essence